All right, we're going to be doing a house tour of this beautiful place right next to downtown Fairbanks, just off College Road. And I want to do a quick introduction and let you know that if you don't have a whole lot of time, if you skip to the end, or pretty close to the end, last like 5 minutes, I do a quick 0.5 tour. I just walk the entire house quickly so that you can see the whole thing. If not, enjoy this full-length YouTube video where we go into detail. And yes, I hope you enjoy. All right, so we're starting here on College Road because we got a home that we're going to be touring right here on Blanche Ave. It's a lovely little home, just right in the heart of Fairbanks. And this is beautiful, classic Alaskan architecture. Lovely front yard. Privacy fence all the way around the front yard. Fence all the way around for security and just making sure your home is yours. There is, as you can tell here, it's a window well for the basement, which we will get to see. What I love about these older Alaskan homes is they don't usually look like there's a basement, but there is definitely a basement. I have a rhubarb plant. It's one of my mom's favorite things in the world because they always come back. Great for pies. One of my favorites, strawberry rhubarb pie. So good. I'll show you over here. We've got, it's all set up for a toyo. When we get inside, you'll see that there isn't a toyo currently, but it is all set up for one. We're going to get a good view of the backyard when we go through the door. It's actually a door that was freshly installed in the laundry room. All right. Now there's two entryways. This one here is a little Arctic entry on the inside. And then also here has its own little Arctic entry. Just a little area that keeps the main portion of the cold out when you come inside in those winter months. You can see with the flatter roofs, you have to do extra work, some tar work and otherwise. It's very important with homes like this to make sure you keep the snow off. Especially the last few winters, we've had some doozies of some winters that have really put our roofs to work. All right, we got here, got our Arctic entry. Wonderful. Hold the carpet here, so open that door a little further. There we go. You can see from these heat vents from the furnace. Keeps the place nice and toasty. Got a little closet here. Also storage room right here in your entryway. You can use your imagination what you use this entryway for. It's It's like another Arctic entry, which is great. You close both these doors and you are extra secure from the cold, which in Alaska you'll find is very important. Use this area kind of like a little dining room, and stairs down to the living room. But before we go down there, spin around so you can see the kitchen. Just love these kitchen concepts. Now you're gonna absolutely love this. So we've got doors on one side, door on the other side. So you can access whatever you've put in here from either side. Just lovely. Same thing on the other side. Ever important thermostat. All right, we'll go back to the kitchen because that's where we're going to get to the laundry room and the dining room. We'll come down to the living room first. So right here, that's where it is ready for a Toyo stove to be installed. Alright, so just off here is one of the bedrooms. You can see here an outside door installed on this bedroom. And here, a few shelves for closet items. Show you the backyard here. We'll do it again from the other side. Recently cut grass. Absolutely love the smell of recently cut grass. And that's that new door that's been installed. Step out to here so you can see. Brand new install. Absolutely lovely. Alright, go back in here. Once again, that's where you'll see there's the forced air heat. This here was installed as kind of a, almost like an individual breakfast nook. Got our kitchen. There's this door that I opened for this section. Well maintained. Older drawers just made to fit perfectly inside the opening. That's what holds the drawers together. Doesn't have those. Should double check before I say that. Doesn't have the rails and such to get caught on or bent. Lovely. We'll get things that you've forgotten about in these beautiful cupboards. Sliding glass doors. Always remember where your spices are. Nice. Over. Those kitchen faucets. Good for rinsing dishes. And at these appliances first. And we'll go to the bedroom. That's just off the other side there. Lovely, all maintained. Peek at that freezer. All right, back over here. Here's the other bedroom. Once again, nice storage above. You can see it fits a lot of stuff. Sorry, haven't peeked at any of the window sills. One thing you always look for in Alaska, the softness in the corners here, which it does not have. Nice and solid. And we'll do one last drive through at 0.5 to catch anything I've missed. Once again, that's where you're gonna have your heat come through. I always love forced air heat. It heats the house up so fast. Only downside is that forced air heat the house can cool off a lot faster than houses that have material like baseboards or in-floor heating. But they do heat up much faster. That's the beauty of this house, already ready for you to put a soil in if you want. Love that these became the way to go rather than just a tiny shower head. Up side here, that's where you got your sink, extra storage. See? Alright, now on to the laundry room. Washer and dryer. All the materials otherwise there. Now I gotta check out. This is the brand new door installed. Alright, and I think it might be the end, but it's not. We have the basement to go check out. So here's the furnace. These are the fuel pipes that provides the fuel. This is a silly way to put it. There's your septic line. And all prepped for those taller people that are going to hit their heads. Warning flags. Nice and open. So it's got spray foam insulation all throughout here. And they did have this tested, so not asbestos, just spray foam. And that's that window well that has the gravel in it. And here is your city water supply. And I've actually had, with these city water supplies, had a house freeze. And then because this is constantly flowing, this did not freeze. And here's where the sump pump is. Has this nice little door over it. Water heater. Pressure tank. Triple panel. We're going to go around rather than limboing underneath that. All right, now we're going to go out to 0.5. Catch anything I've missed so far. Oh, here's where the pipes come into the house from the fuel tank, which we'll look at here in just a second. Through that backyard. Oh, there's those fuel pipes. Little side yard. Thank you for joining me for a tour of this lovely house. All the information will be online. Please message me if you have any questions. And see you on the next one.